The Indian Ministry of Defence has awarded a 178 crore rupees contract to private sector firm Bharat Forge to supply 27 units of Kalyani M4 next-generation armoured vehicles to the Indian Army under an emergency procurement route, and it is believed that the order will increase to 200 units. This comes one day after the signing of an agreement between the South African firm Paramount Group and Bharat Forge Limited at the ongoing IDEX 2021 exhibition to start manufacturing of M4 armoured vehicles in India. After yesterday's successful maiden test of the vertically launched short-range surface-to-air missile, the DRDO chief Dr. Satish Reddy has said that 2 VLSRSAM were tested for minimum and maximum ranges, and this next-generation system will soon be inducted into the Indian Navy after completing few more tests. It carries the same Ku-band active radar seeker and smokeless propellant system used on the Astra Mark 1, but it features thrust vector control for high-speed maneuverability to provide 360-degree protection against advanced low-observable targets like anti-ship and sea-skimming missiles. On the invitation of the Chief of Bangladesh Air Force, the Indian Air Force Chief has arrived on a 4-day official visit to the neighbouring country, and apart from holding talks on shared interests and exploring avenues to cooperate on mutual military cooperation, he will also present the Tejas Mark 1A fighter jet to the Bangladesh Air Force, which is looking to upgrade its fighter fleet, and the Tejas Mark 1A fighter jet fully meets all the operational requirements of the Bangladesh Air Force. The Defence Acquisition Council has cleared capital acquisition proposals worth 13,700 crore rupees, which includes 118 Arjun Mark 1A main battle tanks, while others are related to the 5,300 crore rupees project for protection and countermeasures for armoured fighting vehicles. The Defence Ministry has also announced Hindustan Shipyard Limited as the lowest bidder for the construction of 6 next-generation missile corvettes for the Indian Navy that will feature advanced stealth features like low radar cross-section, low infrared acoustic and magnetic signatures. Top officials have said that the Indian Navy will place a $2 billion order for 5 fleet support ships with Hindustan Shipyard in October, that will be built with transfer of technology from a Turkish shipbuilding firm. The first vessel will be delivered in 2025, while other 4 ships will be delivered at the rate of 1 vessel in every 10 months, and these 45,000-ton vessels will carry fuel and other supplies for warships. The DRDO has handed over the licensing agreement for transfer of technology to Godrej and Boyce for the production of self-propelled mechanical mine layer, which has been designed for laying anti-tank bar mines in varying soil conditions and camouflaging and recording their position accurately. Godrej will start its manufacturing very soon, and this product will see a very quick rollout and induction. With a seed funding of 1.4 crore rupees, the Indian Institute of Technology Roorkee has inaugurated a state-of-art center for drone research that is housed at the Electronics and Telecommunications Department of the institute, and will now conduct frontier research work on several aspects of drone technology, like drone development, drone applications and anti-drone technology. The Indian Army is ready to start a new project for futuristic communication system with Indian companies, which is a LTE-based communication grid with Internet of Military Things sensor network that will provide high-grade secure mobile audio, video and data communication and seamless interconnectivity between its combat formations and units along the northern and eastern borders. It will also include ultrasonic ground sensors, autonomous unmanned aerial vehicles, helmet-mounted cameras, and will also use the currently operated surveillance equipment of the Army. The Indian aircraft carrier and the French aircraft carrier, along with its strike force and Rafale M fighters, will show their strength during the upcoming India-France joint naval exercise in April, that will be conducted in 2 phases in Arabian Sea and Indian Ocean region. Dassault Aviation will also deliver 7 more Indian Rafale fighters on 23rd April, after which India's first squadron of the Rafale fighter will be completed at the Ambala Air Base. After signing a $50 million defense line of credit with Maldives, India has signed a special $100 million defense line of credit agreement with its traditional defense partner Mauritius, and India will also provide a Dornier aircraft and an advanced light helicopter on lease for 2 years, and a comprehensive economic cooperation and partnership agreement has also been signed that will enable smooth entry of Indian businesses to the African continent.
Omar dropped it.